Gearing up for the flu front line. This a daily ritual for scores of nurses and doctors inside Royal Darwin Hospital.
So I'm in what's called full PPE, and we use this kind of personal protective equipment to make sure that we stay safe when we're looking after both COVID and influenza patients.
These are the precautions used to treat the 42 patients currently in hospital with influenza, including 2 in the intensive care unit.
The hospital is seeing a lot more influenza patients, and they're actually taking over COVID at the moment in terms of how many we're seeing.
7 days ago, there were around 2,000 declared flu cases. That figure spiking to 3,000 recorded cases today.
It's really hitting us hard. It is going to be an unprecedented flu season this year.
In comparison, last year there were only 76 cases. Pre-pandemic in 2019, there was a grand total of 1,878 for the entire year.
Because we've had such low levels of influenza in the last couple of years, we have what we would call a really naive population to influenza.
With symptoms similar to COVID, authorities are concerned people who test negative on a rat may enter the community despite the possibility of being infected with influenza.
You may have the flu, or you may have one of the many other viral illnesses. The good thing is, for most people, you just have to treat it the same. You stay home.
The emergency department is an extremely busy place by nature, treating some of the sickest patients in the Northern Territory. It's why we're being encouraged to treat ourselves at home if we have the flu.
But we want to leave ED for the people who are the most unwell, and most people should connect to their GP if they need a doctor. Your GP knows you the best.
For those who are admitted to hospital with flu,
unfortunately there isn't a treatment and a cure for influenza. All we can do is try to reduce the severity of the symptoms and manage those while they're here.
To prevent infection altogether, there are several options. Rolling up for the jab, which 41,000 Territorians have already done, or by simply washing hands and staying at home if sick. Jack Hahn, 9 News.